Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon Battle Deck. First, each player needs a 60-card deck, which must contain at least one basic Pokémon. Next, shuffle your deck well and draw 7 cards to form your starting hand. If you don't have a basic Pokémon, you must reshuffle and draw again, and your opponent may draw an extra card. Then, place one basic Pokémon face down as your active Pokémon and up to 5 more on your bench. Finally, take the top 6 cards of your deck and set them aside face down as your prize cards. Each turn begins with you drawing 1 card from your deck. After drawing, you can perform several actions in any order. You may play any number of basic Pokémon from your hand onto your bench. You can attach 1 energy card from your hand to one of your Pokémon, either active or benched, once per turn. You can also evolve your Pokémon by playing a Stage 1 or Stage 2 Pokémon card on top of its previous evolution, but a Pokémon cannot evolve on the same turn it was played. After your actions, your active Pokémon can attack once per turn, provided it has the required energy attached. The player who goes first cannot attack on their very first turn. When attacking, consider the defending Pokémon's weakness and resistance. Weakness typically doubles damage, while resistance reduces it by 20 or 30. Place damage counters on the defending Pokémon equal to the attack's damage. If a Pokémon's total damage counters meet or exceed its hit points, it is knocked out. There are 3 primary ways to win a Pokémon Battle Deck game. The most common way is to take all 6 of your prize cards by knocking out your opponent's Pokémon. You also win if your opponent has no Pokémon left in play, meaning no active Pokémon and no benched Pokémon. Finally, if your opponent cannot draw a card at the beginning of their turn because their deck is empty, you win. Mastering strategy and managing your deck effectively are key to achieving victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.